Do you want to learn to animate the React app and avoid coding boring user interfaces? Maybe you had some problems with the implementation. Today you will learn how to implement animations like in top websites using React.jS and Framer Motion animations. Let's first install the Framer Motion library and then code a custom component. In this example, we have created an animation that turns square into circle with simultaneous zoom in and zoom out. Let's explain the code. Div is styled with CSS as a white square, then are added animation props that define the zoom, degrees of rotation and radius of a border. You can see 5 values separated by a comma, which means that there are 5 steps of animation and each step is defined differently to achieve smooth motion. Each step is defined with a decimal fraction in times prop, and the duration is the number of seconds. Moreover, it is set to move infinitely and start with a delay. As you can see, every animated element is based on motion prefixes and HTML tags. It is possible to make complex groups of elements that are animated as separate components. Let's see the more complex animation of SVG elements. Such an animation needs a custom function, let's call it draw. This function includes the initial state before starting animation, function which defines the animation of elements. This function takes an index as a prop to start every element at slightly different times. The path length set to 1 is making the SVG fully drawn, and the opacity set to 1 is making it fully visible. Then we can add some transition controls. Then we can make an SVG container with the size set, like in this example, and inside we should put 3 rows of shapes. The circle, 2 strikes as an X and rectangle. Let's see the circle from a closer perspective. The first 3 props define the dimension of the shape, the variance prop applies the previously defined animation function, and in the end, we pass the custom value which draw function takes as an index. You can see how the custom value is set to delay the drawing of each shape. Of course, there should be a simple CSS styling for 3 shapes. Framer Motion also offers 3D animations. Comment below if you want to see such a building in the next video. You can also check my tutorial about making a 3D app with React. If you are wondering if it is possible to manage an app from Notion, I have made my first ever product as a Next.js 14 boilerplate with Notion CMS. You can check it in the description below. Do you want to become a modern developer? Subscribe to my free newsletter to be up to date with the latest tech. Till the next time.